Welcome back, drone fans. In today's video, we're diving into the top 5 best mini drones you can get on AliExpress in 2025. These are compact, portable, and feature-packed drones with 8K cameras, GPS, obstacle avoidance, and more, all perfect for beginners and hobbyists alike. We'll go over real-world features, performance, pros and cons, and who each drone is best for. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Number 1. GT3 Mini Drone, GPS plus 8K dual camera plus obstacle avoidance. The GT3 Mini Drone packs serious features into a compact design. With GPS stabilization, 5G FPV video, and brushless motors, flying is buttery smooth and reliable even in wind. The dual camera setup lets you switch angles mid-flight, and obstacle avoidance prevents crashes when flying indoors or near trees. You'll also love its auto return to home, follow me, and intelligent waypoint modes. 8K HD dual camera, 5G Wi-Fi FPV plus GPS, brushless motors, obstacle avoidance, foldable design plus LED lights. Pros: excellent 8K image clarity. Brushless motors equals quieter plus more durable. Very stable with GPS, great for cinematic footage. Obstacle avoidance helps beginners. Best for hobbyist photographers and YouTubers who want a mini drone with pro-like features. Number 2. V8 Mini Drone, entry-level FPV fun. The V8 Mini Drone is perfect for first-time flyers and kids. It offers a built-in camera with FPV streaming to your phone. While not true 4K, the video is more than acceptable for casual use. What stands out is how easy it is to fly. One key start, altitude hold, and headless mode make it ideal for kids and beginners. 4K/1080p HD camera, Wi-Fi FPV, real-time video, altitude hold, foldable design, one key start plus return. Pros: lightweight, very portable, simple and intuitive controls, budget-friendly, great starter drone, best for kids, students, or anyone new to drones who just wants fun, no frills flying. Number 3. S116 Max Drone, triple battery power. This drone's killer feature is the triple battery bundle that's over an hour of total flight time. Its brushless motors provide smoother and more efficient flying. You get two 8K cameras, great for creative shots and FPV monitoring. While it lacks GPS, the optical flow positioning keeps it stable during indoor and low-altitude flights. The 360 degrees obstacle avoidance is especially helpful for beginners. 8K dual camera, 360 degrees obstacle avoidance, brushless motors, 3 batteries, 75 plus minutes total flight, optical flow plus Wi-Fi FPV. Pros: long total flight time, obstacle avoidance, dual cameras, excellent value for price. Best for users who want longer flight sessions without spending too much, especially for cinematic indoor flying. Number 4. Z908 Pro Max, GPS drone with 9000 m range. The Z908 Pro Max pushes the limits for a mini drone. With an insane 9,000 meter control range, it's built for serious outdoor flying. The GPS stabilization and intelligent flight features, like follow me and return to home, work reliably. You can fly with confidence and record high-quality 8K footage from incredible distances. It's foldable, lightweight, and travel-ready. 8K HD dual camera, brushless motors, GPS plus follow me, 9,000 meter range, obstacle avoidance. Pros: extremely long range, powerful dual 8K camera, great GPS features, reliable obstacle avoidance. Best for outdoor adventurers and travelers looking for a high-performance long-range drone. Number 5. S2S Mini Drone, long flight time plus 8K video. Despite its small form, the S2S Mini Drone offers an impressive 25-minute flight time, and it feels premium with brushless motors and a high-res camera. It hovers steadily thanks to optical flow, and it's easy to store and carry thanks to the foldable arms. Perfect for creators who want stable 8K shots on the go. 8K HD camera, 25-minute single battery flight, brushless motor, foldable design, optical flow plus obstacle avoidance. Pros: long flight per battery, compact and travel ready, solid video quality, quiet brushless motors. Best for content creators or travelers looking for compact drones with excellent video and flight time. Let's wrap up the top 5 best mini drones of 2025. GT3 Mini, best overall features with GPS, 8K, obstacle avoidance. V8 drone, super easy and fun for beginners and kids. S116 Max, longest flight time thanks to triple battery combo. Z908 Pro Max, ultimate range and GPS control. S2S Mini, compact drone with pro-level camera and flight time. Each of these offers great value for its price and target user, whether you're a casual flyer, a content creator, or a drone enthusiast. Check the links in the description for best deals. Let us know in the comments which one is your favorite. Like this video if you found it helpful. Subscribe for more in-depth drone reviews every week.